Hi guys, day 11. I'm going to A&E on my day 11. Post-op, right, partial paroplectomy. Unfortunately, it's Saturday today. There's no GP or doctor's clinic on weekends. So if there's an emergency cases that you need to be seen immediately, here in the UK, you have to go to A&E. So yeah, I will go to A&E. Why? Because here in my operative site, my friend was able to see it yesterday. As I'm just able to touch it, I was not able to inspect or see what's the difference about the operative sites. So she managed to palpate it and then told that there's something liquidy forming inside the operative site. I was terrified, and really I would like to go to the hospital since last night. It's just I wanted to calm myself, because I don't want the negativity to eat me, you know. So yeah, I wanted to go to A&E to have it checked, and let's see what will it be, or what will they do about it, or will I just be sent home? Yeah, be with me as I'm alone. Be with me as I go to emergency room. Bye. See you. I'll update you later, guys. Infirmary. The A&E is over there. Okay, we're going to A&E now. Emergency department. A&E. So I got home from the hospital after hours of waiting in the ENT clinic. So what they did is they just aspirated the lump in here. They did not put any anesthesia anymore because the part itself is already numb. I did not feel anything when she introduced the needle. So she managed to withdraw like approximately 5 mils of serous sanguineous fluid from inside it, and then she prescribed me antibiotics, and also yeah, I'll be back on Monday to have it checked again if there's more fluid that accumulated in there in the operative site. So this is the update in my eyes. Yeah. eyebrow still not responding. That's it for day 11 post-operative right parodontictomy. See you tomorrow. Bye.